Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you one of the easiest ways to make money online. By the way, I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to earn money by teaching online this year. Yes, and it might interest you to know that a lot of successful people that I have met are not that smart. The only thing is they move fast, they take risk, and they work hard. Yes, they work a lot, and that is it. So guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and meet you where in the world are you watching from. Yes, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. You guys are so dear to my heart. Thank you for all that you do. I appreciate every single one of you. And to all my returning subscribers, Kilo Degon, Eshegon, thank you. And to my Patreon members, you guys, Kilo Degon, you guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. So guys, without further ado, let me introduce myself. Why introduce yourselves? You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you tuning in from? So my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, mostly fashion designer. On this channel, I share various ways to make money. You know, we don't hoard information on this channel. We share, we spill it all. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, let's go. So guys, there are so many platforms online where you can teach. First thing you need to do is to sign up on platforms like udemy.com. Udemy is a platform where you can sign up to teach people whether a language or a particular subject matter that you are really highly proficient in. Yes, go on udemy.com and create a profile for yourself and start to get a lot of teaching gigs. Now, the next website on my list here is Teachable. Yes, Teachable is a platform that connects you with students that are looking for your expertise. You need to create engaging online courses. You have to plan your course content and of course your structure. So guys, another website I'm going to introduce you guys to is VIP Kid. Yes. Now this, just like Udemy and Teachable, is also a platform that connects you with students that are looking for people to offer the service that you render to them. So what you need to do is to plan your course content and to plan your structure and create high quality video. You don't even necessarily have to be there real time. You can create the videos and they can watch it anytime and you get paid for it. Guys, what can be better than that? At that point, you start to make money in your sleep. So make sure that you use high quality video and audio equipment to record your lessons and then keep your content engaging and interactive. The next thing you need to do is to market your courses. Yes. So yes, beyond setting up your accounts on this platform, VIP Kids, Udemy, Teachable, you also need to market it on social media and share with people so that they get to know that you offer these services and they can be found, they can be purchased on those websites. So go ahead and promote your courses on social media. You can also promote them through email marketing and by offering free webinars. Yes, you can also use SEO strategies to rank your course higher on search engines. And here are some tips for successful online teaching. Please, you have to be patient and trust the process. Be patient and responsive to students' questions. When they ask you questions, please take your time to respond to them and act like you really care, because you should actually care. They are your clients. They're the ones that are bringing the businesses to you. You can't act like you're all about the money, and that's one of the rules to making money that a lot of people are not aware of. You should offer good customer service, impeccable customer service. Whenever they remember you, they should remember that, oh, you're respectful of their time, you care so much about them, you are listening. Yes, you're a good listener. You don't just go straight to the point where you say, oh, I thought you should have understood this thing by now. No, take your time, listen to their concerns and try to help them solve every single problem that they have. Be patient with them and respond to every question that they have for you. Another thing you need to do is to continuously update your course content based on feedback. If they have a feedback on certain things that they noted in your course, please respond give a feedback. You can have an updated version. You can add, respond to the question, respond to them so that they will feel heard, they will feel seen, and they can also refer you to other people. And when someone is complaining about someone that offers your services, while they are there, your clients, your past clients, they can easily say, hey, I want to recommend you to X and Y. He's really good. He taught me this and he's quite patient. I mean, he's going to listen to you. He's going to respond to every question that you have or every problem that you have. So yes, he's got you covered. people will speak on your behalf. And there's this saying that I learned when I was working in the bank. I learned that when you have an aggrieved client, when one client is not happy with you, they are going to tell an average of 11 people about your bad services and why they should never patronize you. So please, you offer great customer service at every point in time. And yes, when there's a customer that is actually happy with your service, they will tell 3 people, yes, about you. 3 people compared to 11 people. When someone is not happy with your services, they're going to tell 11 more people that, hey, that person is a no-go area. Don't even bother going to waste your time with that person. The person will do this and that for you. The person will, it's just going to be a waste of time. So you don't want people spreading negative news about you, your brand, and your business. So try as much as possible to offer impeccable, great customer service. Is the bedrock of every business. Once there's negative feedback about a business, can crumble a whole business. It can crumble a multi-billion-dollar empire. So you need to make sure that your reputation is always intact, yes, so that you are not called out on social media for a negative reason. So guys, in conclusion, making money online offers unparalleled benefits, which includes flexibility, low startup costs, diverse income streams, and scalability. While there are so many methods to choose from, a done-for-you system stands out as one of the easiest ways to actually make money online. You have to leverage on the power of automation, proven strategies, and comprehensive support, and you can achieve financial freedom quickly, yes, and efficiently. So whether you're interested in freelancing, in affiliate marketing, in online surveys, in selling digital products, or even drop shipping, the key to success is taking action. Do not wait any longer. Go ahead and explore the easiest ways to make money that applies to you and start your journey towards a brighter financial future today. So guys, I will have, like I said, I have a bonus tip for you. So here are some secret websites to try. Yes. The first one on my list, you can make money with this website, is Inbox Dollars. Yes. It's a rewards website in the United States. They provide a variety of ways to earn money. Yes. And they also give you money for a sign-up bonus. The next one on my list here is Sidebase or Stack. Yes. One of the easiest ways to find new side hustles is by using one of these platforms. And the next one on my list is Redbubble.com. It's a cool site to make money with unique designs through print on demand. Another way to make money is through Rover. You can get paid to walk dogs in your neighborhood. The next one here is Prime Opinion. It's a new survey platforms that give you, like, their payout is super fast. And the next one on my list here is Earn App. Yes, Earn App is a new honey gain alternative that also pays you to share your internet. Yes, you can split your internet and get paid for it. The next one on my list is TaskRabbit. It's an app where you can offer a range of services to make money within your city. And the next one here is Swagbox. It's one of my favorite websites to make money online. The next one is Unlock. Yes, it's a brand new software website with a wide range of services that you can take advantage of. I'm going to be sharing a lot of more of these websites in my next video, so make sure that you stick around and watch this. Keep on watching my videos, stick around, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Here is how to win my giveaway in today's video. What you need to do is, yes, first and foremost, we have finally launched our Telegram channel. So head over to the link in my description and in my comments and start to share the link with your friends. You have to share it with 20 to 50 people, between 20 and 50 people in your network. Yes, when you do that, then come back to this video and let me know how many people have successfully joined the Telegram community. Not how many people you have shared the link with, but how many people you have successfully been able to add into my Telegram community. I will verify the number. Do not lie about the numbers. If you do, I will disqualify you automatically. There are no stories about it, so go ahead and, yes, give me the exact number of people. It's better to understate the numbers than to overstate the numbers. Yes, because I take integrity very important. Yes, it's very paramount for me. So go ahead and let me know in the comments how many people you have successfully added into the group. Then I will reach out. I will verify the numbers, of course, definitely. I will find out. If you're lying, I will know. And then I will ask you to send your details, your bank details, and I'm going to credit you with some money. So guys, that is it for today. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't hear them anymore. If you don't like this video, please do well to like it and also do well to share my video. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. I love you. Bye, guys.